Off-shoulder gowns can look difficult, especially when ruching is involved. Many people struggle with getting the gathers neat and making the gown sit well on the body. In this video, I'll show you how to sew an off-shoulder gown with front ruching step by step using simple methods. I'll take it slowly, explain every details, and by the end of this video, you will feel confident sewing this style on your own. My name is Mitchell. Welcome to Mitchell Fashion Academy. The pattern paper is unfold. This is the shoulder line. This is from the shoulder to the armhole line, from the shoulder to the bust line and the waistline. The dress has a waistband. Subtract 1.5 inches from the length of the bodice for the waistband. The neck width is 3 inches and the depth is 3 inches. Turn the pattern paper to the other side and mark the 3 inches neck width. The shoulder measurement 7 inches, and after that you mark the length of the sleeve you're working with. Sewing allowance included. You rule a straight line to the armhole line. This is the 3 inches neck width on both sides, and this is the shoulder. Mark 1 inch away from the shoulder like this. You can make it 2 inches depending on how low you want the off shoulder to be. So you mark 1 inch away from shoulder, then you connect it to the neck depth like this. On the armhole line, mark the bust circumference divided by 4 plus half inch is and the sewing allowance. Mark the same measurement on the bust line. On the waistline, mark the waist circumference divided by 4 plus 1 inch is and the sewing allowance. The ones each is will be pleated. Connect the points. This part should be curved like this. Measure the 1 inch shoulder slant. Next, you cut. Open the pattern paper like this and cut the neckline. Moving on to the skirts, draft a basic skirt pattern. Add half inch is to the hip measurement and at least 9 inches to the length of the skirt. The reason for that is ruching reduces the length. Remember the 1.5 inches you left for the band. You make sure that the length is the same with the waist measurement. Pleat the bodice like this. Pleat it with the 1 inch ease we left on both sides. After pleating it, you join it to the pants, then you attach the pants to the skirts. Quite simple, right? Don't forget to cut facing for the neckline, front and back. I attached invisible zip to the left hand side. On the waist, measure the bust span measurement. That's where the ruche will be. Draw a straight line depending on how full you want the ruche to be. With your needle and thread, sew loose stitches on the straight line. After sewing it, gather it like this. Make a knot to secure the gathers. This strip of fabric, I folded it and stitched it. I'll place it on the ruched side like this, on the wrong side of the dress. Then I'll sew it straight. I have stitched it. I'll turn the dress to the right side. This is what it looks like on the right side. Make sure you remove the loose stitches you made with hand needle. If you found this video helpful, press the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and I hope to see you in my next one. Have a good one. Bye.